Now students, I am taking next point here. What is, in previous point you have seen that if the words are given as a few, several, many, like this, we use here plural verb. But in this sentence there is 2 points, two things are coming out. What are these? A collective nouns means we have take here collective nouns. A collective noun many takes means nouns may take here singular or plural verb. If in we are talking about a collective nouns, so these nouns may take here singular or plural verbs in both the forms. Why? How is it possible? We have to go through. If the collection is thought of whole the verb, whole means complete class, a complete group. If the collection is thought of whole is complete group, complete class, the verb is in singular form. The verb is used here in a singular form. But if the individuals are members of the group, means if we talk here, individuals are the members of the group, in such a condition, separately, they are grouped separately thing. The verb is in plural form. The verb is used in plural form. Here you try to understand, children. The verb is agreed here to live in a plural form. If we talk about the individuals are separately about the members, in such a conditions we use here plural form, and otherwise if we talk about the complete group, whole class, in such a condition we use here singular form. Examples, with the help of examples you can be able to understand what is here. The committee was of one opinion means whole committee is thinking about one opinion. Committee is not divided. Committee is thinking about one opinion and having one uh, opinion. Complete opinion means all the members of the committees are thinking about one opinion. This is a singular form. The committee was, singular verb is used here, was. But in second sentence you are looking, the committee were divided in one opinion. The committee were divided. Committee means what is here? The members of the committee. What is committees? Committee, the committee were divided means committee is showing here individuals, and it is talking about the members of the committee, not a whole group. We are talking about individuals. Members are divided in one opinion. They are thinking the opinion is not appropriate. In such a condition, we use here plural form, and you are looking, this is here plural form of the verb. One more example I am taking, children. There is a large number of boys in the class. One more example I am taking, and it will help you to understand. What is, there is a large number of boys in the class. There is a large number of boys. There is a large number of boys in the class. Here is a collection now, class. So what are we talking about? A whole class. Already we know, in a whole class, in a class already sits numbers of the boys, and we can write large number of the boys. So large number of the boys are there, but here it is representing whole class, not individually about the students. Oh, we are talking about the whole class. In such a conditions we use singular form of the verb. And in this, and on the other hand we are taking, you can see another side, what is given? A large number of boys were caught copying. A large number of boys were caught copying. Copying is cheating. Large number of boys. So what is a large number of boys? Boys, there is plural number looking here. But what is here? Boys were caught copying. Why this is? There was also boys in with the words. But here we are talking about the particular children. Not a whole class is caught. Large number of the children, large number of the boys caught copying. So we are talking individually or separately. These boys, those boys were copying or cheating. They were caught. That is why we use here plural verb, not a singular verb. So students, I hope these 2 points are confirmed to you. We will discuss next some points tomorrow. Till then you have to go through these lines, these examples properly, so that we confirm to you. We will meet you in next lecture. Till then, goodbye.